Hi friends, this is Luca. We are in the Big Bash event, an incredible event here in the Netherlands, and it's very themed about Ghostbusters. And I bumped into Marc, so please introduce yourself.
Hi there, I'm Marc Duiker. I'm a developer advocate for Diagrid. That's a company founded by the co-creators of Dapr open source, the distributed application runtime. And I gave the first session here at BitBash, and it was called Failure is Not an Option. Durable execution is amazing with Dapr. So I went into the details about what Dapr can offer when you are building distributed applications with Dapr, and I explained what durable execution is. So it's basically like workflow engines, and there's now a workflow engine built into Dapr, so you can write your workflows in code in any language that you want, like in C# or in Java or in Python or JavaScript, and then Dapr will take care of scheduling that workflow for you. And it's great for building very resilient systems. And I'm a big fan of resiliency and event-driven architectures. And I think Dapr is a great tool to build event-driven systems and long-running processes that can automatically heal themselves.
Well, definitely, because we are. Thank you very much. I can really. I understand this concept, and especially for the type of application we are creating in the world, we need more resilient application that didn't only show up a 500 error, but they goes a little bit beyond and they are high available. So I think it's very interesting having this background of technology. And how do you see the future? How do you see it is going? We're gonna go.
Yeah, well, there's definitely the demands are getting higher, right? So more users are of course online and using applications, so that also increases the pressure and what development teams need to deliver to make sure we have reliable applications and reliable services. So I think tools like Dapr or similar tools that provide these workflow capabilities with stateful running processes are very important to have. So I think it's very important that developers have an easy onboarding to use these kind of systems. So they don't have a very steep learning curve to start using these things. But it's also very important that people know how to run it in production, right? So development is of course just one aspect of it, but you also need to be able to run it in production and run it at scale and to make sure you have all of the insights. So a lot of focus in the next few years will be how can we make it easier for both developers, but also for operations and for platform teams to offer services to make it easier for people to build it, but also run it in production.
Definitely. I think this will be fantastic. And what would be a first step for a person that would like to embark on this technology?
Well, I think the first step is to know what is there in the ecosystem, right? So, get familiar with new technologies. Go to these events like today. Go to events, conferences, maybe local meetups. There's also a lot of online learning materials as well. And of course, I'm a big advocate of Dapr, which is a great part in the open source. And we also do lots of online events like the community calls every other week. But there, of course, there are many more tools that you can use and more free events that you can attend, and a lot of free information out there on YouTube, such as your channel. So I think it's great that we all try to share knowledge and also be very open and start a dialogue with people and to share more knowledge in a nice way.
But absolutely amazing. I like talking about new technology and how they can really impact our life and how people can keep in touch with you. What's your best contact?
Well, so I have a website, marcduiker.dev, which contains all of my information. If you want to know more about Dapr, then dapr.io is the best place to find more information about distributed application runtime.
Cool. I think we crack it down and let's make it worth it and let's enjoy Ghostbusters scene. Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.